Transform your home into a verdant oasis with these stunning gardening inspiration ideas. Transforming your home into a verdant oasis is a fulfilling venture that brings nature's tranquility right to your doorstep. With an array of stunning gardening inspiration ideas, you can craft spaces that resonate with peace, beauty, and life. Whether you have sprawling gardens or compact urban spaces, the possibilities are vast and exciting. Begin by considering the types of plants that resonate with the vision you have for your space. Think about how you want to interact with each area, perhaps a vibrant set of flowers near your windows to beckon butterflies and create a burst of colour, or a serene corner with fragrant herbs that invite culinary creativity and offer therapeutic aromas. For those with larger spaces, incorporating a combination of trees, shrubs, and perennials can create layers of interest. Choose native plants to support local wildlife and reduce maintenance, ensuring your garden thrives with minimal intervention. Create paths meandering through different sections to invite exploration and offer a tranquil walk amidst greenery. If space permits, adding a water feature like a small pond or a cascading fountain can elevate the sensory experience, providing the soothing sound of flowing water and serving as a sanctuary for birds and other wildlife. In contrast, small urban gardens or balconies can be transformed into lush retreats with vertical gardening techniques. Utilize climbing plants and multifunctional structures that provide not just greenery, but also privacy from the urban hustle. Container gardening is another versatile method to bring nature to limited spaces, allowing you to rearrange your mini oasis as desired. Choose containers of varied sizes and elevate them creatively using stands or hanging designs to add depth and interest. Lighting plays a crucial role in transforming your home garden into an enchanting oasis, especially as dusk falls. String lights or solar-powered lanterns nestled among foliage can create an inviting glow, encouraging evening relaxation or social gatherings. Consider strategically placing lights under trees or along pathways to highlight your garden's best features, ensuring safety while enhancing aesthetics. Moreover, integrating furniture that complements your garden design can transform how the space is used, turning it into an extension of your home where family and friends gather. Opt for weather-resistant materials and blend cushions with nature-inspired patterns to maintain the theme of your verdant retreat. Ultimately, every garden is unique, reflecting the personal style and desires of its creator. Take inspiration from gardens around the world, be it the structured elegance of a Japanese Zen garden or the free, colourful exuberance of a wildflower meadow, and adapt those principles to suit your space and climate. Gathering ideas from diverse sources will ensure that your garden is not just beautiful, but also rich in diversity and sustainability. Transforming your home into a verdant oasis with these stunning gardening inspiration ideas is both an art and a personal journey. Whether you seek solitude amongst nature, a space for entertaining, or a productive garden supplying fresh produce, the right combination of plants, materials, and personal touches will breathe life into your vision. As your garden matures, it will not only enhance your living space, but also enrich your life, offering serenity and delight just steps from your door.